You are busy, but you are not fulfilled. You have a lot of work which you are doing, but still the outcome is not coming. If this is the situation, that means somewhere down the road your priorities are not aligned right. Let me introduce to you one of my clients who met me last year with the following symptoms. He was having a lot of irritation, stress, tasks which was allocated to him was not getting completed, and he was not getting any creative ideas. Overall, he was feeling burnt out. His experience was overall 17 years. So what to do? So first thing I did was I started observing his habit and patterns because he was busy and irritated. So that means somewhere down the road, his priorities were not right. So once I started seeing his schedule in the first two coaching calls, I realized that his schedule was little abrupt. He was sleeping at around night 1:30. So I started seeing his, and I told him to make a log of every activity you are doing. After every 1 hour, or after initially half an hour, then once he was having the practice of 2-3 weeks, and I said 1 hour. After every 1 hour, set an alarm and ask yourself after 1 hour, what did you do? And once you did it, somewhere down the road, let's say he was looking to be busy for 15 hours a day, but when we really saw the work, he was not working beyond 3 hours a day. Now, that was very surprising for him. He could not believe himself. I said, hold on, let's see. So after night 10:30, 11, most of his work was not counting on his production. So I said, let's do one thing. 11 o'clock, no matter what happens, you will shut down your laptop. You cannot use laptop anymore. That's it. I mean, whatsoever happens. And for temporarily, you have to also put your airplane in this airplane mode, your mobile phone. Once you do that, now nobody can disturb you. And what you have to do is, you have to take a notebook and a pen in your bedroom and keep there, and whatever thoughts are coming. So he was having some thoughts. The reason he was opening laptop was, okay, I have to reply to this person. I have to do that. I said, any thought like that is coming in your mind, what you have to do is just write it down on a paper and you will do it tomorrow morning, not today, no matter what happens. And once he started doing this, first thing first, he started going to bed by 12 o'clock and he was asleep by 12:30 around. And he started waking up at 6:30. Now, because when you're sleeping late, he was waking up at 8:39 and he was feeling the whole half of the day is already over. So from there, once he started waking up 6:30, the difference was he was having time. And then I said, half an hour again after waking up, you have to make your entire list of work which you are going to accomplish today. And then pick up priorities. And once the priorities are set, you will again go in a systematic way. So he said, that's good. He started doing it. So this was in 2 months, we were able to do and accomplish this much. Then next question came, what else we have to focus on? Then came priorities, and I saw his wheel of life and wheel of his professional life and wheel of leadership. Now in these wheels, almost 40 to 50% component were missing in each of the wheels. Because of that, his effectiveness in office was reducing. And then we found his passion towards work is also missing. Why passion is missing? Because deep within, if I started asking him vision sort of question, why are you doing what you are doing? He was not able to answer this beyond his job profile and beyond his job description. And I said, you are beyond your job description. You are not what you are saying. Once he started doing this, in 2 months, his why purpose came very clear. His clarity about role, his clarity about vision, what he wants in the next 10 years, those all things started coming. This vision statement came very clear. So in 4 to 5 months, now we are into this place. Productivity was high, because distractions were removed, his routines were quite good, and along with that, he started getting passion towards his work. Next question was, how to build him up to a level where he can lead organizations, because there was another things you are lacking. So I started training him in people, personalities, what are the different sort of personalities, what sort of needs people have. Once he started getting trained in that area, the biggest outcome was he was able to connect with people, and his leadership quotient started increasing. Whatever I explained to you in a simple 4 minutes video is actually a 1-year task which we did. It's a big task. So if you are also looking to grow in your life, ask yourself one question. Are you passionate about what you do? If answer is yes, congratulations, you are less than 5% of the world. If you are not passionate, my question to you is this: why are you dragging? Do you feel there is no other job opportunity for you? Do you feel there is nothing else you can do beyond what you are doing? Then let me tell you, you have not actually unveiled your own potential. I have experimented a lot in my career, and after experimenting, I found life is too short to waste doing things which is not meant for you. Only question is, do you have the courage? So how do you get the courage? Let me tell you, even if you have the world's #1 surgeon, you cannot do your own surgery. You want somebody else. That is exactly where coaching comes into picture. A lot of people try to save money where actually they have to invest, and they do not understand that what coaching can do for you. Now I have invested thousands and thousands of dollars staying in India, and I have done huge investment. Outcome of that is, I was able to change 3 to 4 careers. I was able to come out of job at the age of 36. Reason being, I invested in myself. And that's the whole idea. So if you're also looking to grow in your life, just check out your calendar, just check out your bank statement of 1 year and see how much are you investing on your brain. If your investment is less than 5% to 10%, then as of now, you are limiting your potential because you have no idea how much you can accomplish until you find a coach. It was great talking to you. I'll meet you up with my next coaching client's case study and with next some learning for you so that you can apply it. And my next question to you is this. In the comment section, I want from you, where can you apply this learning of productivity which I gave you, leadership I gave you? Where can you apply this and let me know. It was great talking to you. I'll meet you up tomorrow with another video.